Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know why this video is so short. It was a Blackout game, and it was my first time ever playing a Blackout game. So I got really disoriented and you can't see much, so I just cut out like some of the best clips, or some of the best clips that you may be able to see, and then I put them all together. And I mean, there's really not much to see in this video. Hopefully after I get a flashlight on my helmet, it might be easier for my camera to see. But as far as the video goes, there's not really much, so I hope you all enjoy what little there is.
Spotlight control.
Mr. Watson, do a countdown. Do a countdown.
Go!
Ah, shit. Hey, what? Where are we going? I don't know what's going on. I can't tell. Oh my God. Holy Jesus. I didn't know who was who.
Take